In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to your notes in Mymind. This is a simple and incredibly useful process that can make organizing your notes much more effective. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to mymind.com. Once the web page has loaded, you'll see a login option. Now this is where you'll need to log into your account. Fortunately, Mymind gives you the convenience of using either your Google account or your Apple ID to sign in. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose to log in using Google. If you have already saved this information, the process will be quite seamless. Simply select your preferred Google account when prompted, and you'll be instantly logged in. Now that we're inside, it's time to enhance our note-taking experience by adding tags to a note. The first step here is to find something that you want to save as a note. This could be a web page, an image, or any piece of information that you find interesting or important. Once you have that item selected and saved, Mymind automatically prompts you with an option to add tags to your note. This feature is incredibly helpful because it allows you to categorize and later easily retrieve your notes based on those tags. At this point, go ahead and type in the tags you want to associate with your note. Be thoughtful with your tags. They should be descriptive enough to make finding your notes effortless in the future. For example, if you're saving an article about healthy recipes, tags like recipes, health, or cooking might be relevant. Once you've entered your tags, make sure everything looks good and save them by confirming your input. Next, it's a good idea to check if everything is working as it should. To do this, navigate to your dashboard. Your dashboard is essentially your control center on Mymind, where you can manage everything you've saved. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find a search bar. Type in one of the tags you just used and hit enter. If all is right, your note should appear in the search results. This confirms that your tagging was successful and assures you that the system is working smoothly. By using tags, you're transforming your dashboard into a powerful tool that helps you retrieve information quick and easy. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add tags to your notes in Mymind, paving the way for a more organized and efficient note-taking experience. Make sure to employ this strategy every time you save something new, as it will save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. With that, we've reached the end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.